The Summer Career Academy was designed to give students early exposure to different sectors, workplaces, and professional pathways. Before students begin making important academic and career decisions, we wanted them to better understand how organizations function, the breadth of opportunities available to them, and the competencies required to succeed across different industries.
Usually when students finish their first year, they don't really get internships in the industry very easily. And I think spending their time here to be able to explore and understand what do they want to do is a great opportunity for them. I think it's very important for them to give students the exposure to meet with conglomerates, to meet with professionals from the industry, to network better, and to be able to make an opinion on what they want to do, what kind of careers do they want to shape. So I think that really helps.
One of the most biggest eye-opening things which happens to a student is when the student goes into the professional world. So this academy actually serves as a very nice bridge where they get to see and interact with people who are actually, in the professional environment, dealing with different business issues, solving problems, etc. So I think it's a very good opportunity for students to really learn and interact with, people.
The classroom builds intellectual foundations, but industry provides context. By interacting with professionals across different sectors and experiencing workplaces firsthand, students begin to understand how knowledge is applied, how organizations operate, and the capabilities employers value. It helps them to connect their education with the realities of professional practice. Success would be when students leave with a broader understanding of themselves and the world of work. If they have discovered sectors they hadn't considered before, developed practical workplace skills, and can better connect their Habib education with future professional pathways, then I would say the Academy has achieved its purpose.
I definitely do see a lot of difference. Earlier, I was like a bit shy and introvert person, but after attending the Summer Career Academy, I got to know myself better.
I definitely feel more prepared because the industry visits to HBL and TDF really helped me understand how corporate life works. So I got to know more roles that a CS major specifically can go into in the corporate life.
Overall, I'd say it was a really good experience. I got to meet with a lot of new industry professionals. I got to make a lot of new connections. I felt like I gained a lot of confidence. I asked a lot of questions and I felt like it was generally a really good experience for me, I'd say.